All right, we're gonna check this side. So I already untaped everything, but just like the other side, the glue I used, the liquid stitch, is stuck to the parchment paper. So I just pulled that apart, and that is expected that we have some loose strings that didn't get stitched to the wire for some reason, or if I pull too hard. So this is what it's looking like. You can see this little string. I'll have to cut that. So now we're going to cut the edges and leave this middle part just like this here. Kind of like the movement with this. It's not super stiff, but it moves. So let's do that. I'm going to cut the edges first. Kind of doesn't matter that some of them didn't take. It still kind of fills the wire part. This one. Okay. Now we'll do the inside. You could keep the scraps and do another project with them if you'd like. You can turn it into art. Put it on a canvas after you separate the yarn from the tape. You can just get these frillies and put it on, glued on canvas. I think we have a few more stragglers after we cut that last bit. Okay. So you see here, didn't stick. We'll have to try to get that stuck together again. So that's one side. I don't know how long this will last. This took me a couple days, mostly the drying part. Mostly the drying. Yeah, this side's gonna have a lot more holes. And so what I'm gonna do is kind of like a jellyfish. I'm gonna put long yarn pieces here hanging. So let's do that. Keep our space nice and clean. We do have a lot of the lighter yarn in this. Don't know if I want to continue that or go with the darker color. We only have this amount left, so I'm pairing it by the side of my couch, so I want to I'm gonna add some depth in the color. So we'll add some of the dark pieces, but not too many. We'll keep it mostly bright. And for me, it's okay if it shifts. I'm not bothered by that. Like if it's loose or something. I'll put one here. Like that. Let's see, what is it missing? It's missing dark pieces in the center. Right here. And then we'll have to use the string for attaching it to the ceiling. I haven't figured out what I'm doing there yet. Fuck. Probably don't even need this big of a nail. Okay, hold on. The smaller one. Okay. Thing to screw in screws, but not manually. I already made a hole. Could just put it here though. Oh, fuck. It's not going through. Alright, it's going in. There we go, it's going in, it's going in. Now that I have it in, I'm gonna use the manual one because this one's a little too loud and we have people working from home. So we gotta be respectful. Okay. Good. Now, I just have to tie this up. And then what I'm going to do is put some art on the wall as well, so that it's not just hanging there. It needs some type of support. It needs some warmth in here because I have just a lot of cool tone colors. So I could go with this thrifted art piece, the Muncie. I could also go with this like makeshift shelf I made. We used it for our keys and wallets in my old apartment, and I just stuck it on the wall with command strips and it was fine. As long as I don't put anything too heavy, it's fine. And so what I was thinking with this is it'd be a shelf there, and then I can put something that's pretty light here. So we'll see. I'm going to move you so I can see what the art piece looks like. Can even put two, so one here. If I like that. Or I forget. I think it's. I also have these that I thrifted. They're a set of Harley Quinn works of art. I also told you I love tiles, and I have this really cool bird tile. And if I wanted to go with more minimum, I could just go here, off center here. It's pretty heavy, so I need the heavy duty ones. And a lot of this art I just have in one of the bins. I'm going to change where I placed it originally, because watching the video back, more over here, it looks like it's going to fly upwards. We have a tile here, and I have a tile here. This one's not actually a tile, it's like, I guess it's a tile, but love. Cool. That is the space. My boyfriend's going to be not in love with it, but he's also, I'm pretty sure, not gonna hate it. My mind is a little more abstract than his, let's just say that.